Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, we are sharing some tips to save your Buggie's life from rainy season. Rainy season is a long period in which so many Buggies loses their life. Step 1. Do not give any leafy vegetables, only Buggy meat. Step 2. Cover the cage with a plastic sheet or with a curtain. Do not remove it. Step 3. Let they drink a little hot water once in a week. Step 4. If a little sun appears, you could remove the curtain for some time. Step 5. Put a bulb outside the cage. See more videos from Cookie the Buggy. Thank you so much. Bye.